Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO 9 watch and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. Let's start by pressing the upper button and keep pressing it until you find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, you can press the middle button or tap on the settings icon to enter. In settings, select the general option and press the middle button or tap on it. Like this. Then scroll down through the menu, find the backlight option, select it and press the middle button or tap on it. And here we have the brightness. Select it. And now we can scroll through the list of levels of brightness. We have low, medium, and high. So select the brightness level you like. And once you select it, you can tap on it or press the middle button to confirm. And then you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the backlight brightness level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.